In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick screen capture of the entire screen as well as just a portion of the screen in the Mac operating system. Let's get started. So the easiest way to open this tool is to hit the following keys all together. We're going to hit the Command, Shift, and the number 4. And that's going to open up a screen capture for us. If you notice, my cursor has changed to crosshairs. So if I wanted to take a screen capture of the entire screen, I would just drag it all the way down and let go. And if you notice, a screen capture is done. There it is right down here, and it'll be put on my desktop with a default name. Now let's say I wanted to take a better screen capture of just an error or just a portion of the screen that I want to share with somebody via email or embed into a document. Maybe I'm doing instructions on how to do something. So let's do that again. We're going to do Command Shift 4. And again, you'll notice that my cursor, you can see it there, has been changed to crosshairs. This time, all I'm going to do is come over here and I'm going to just grab the portion of the screen. Let's say I was doing instructions on using the ribbon within Outlook, for example. So if you notice, I took one. If you notice on the right, it's here. So if I want to attach this to an email, all I have to do is pick the person that I want to email it to. I'm using Outlook as this demonstration, but it works in any email. Come in here. I can go to the desktop. I can see my 2 screenshots. I'm going to do just the portion of the screen. There's a preview there. I do choose. I finish up the email, and off it goes. I hope this helps you. Have a great day.